Talaga namang full of energy tayong lahat. Okay? Do not be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatever man sows, that he will also reap. May mga kasabihan, kung anong isinukso, siyang madudukot. Kung anong itinanim, siyang aanihin. Ang santol, hindi po pwedeng magbunga ng kainito. Alam niyo ba kung ano kainito? Akala ko hindi niyo na alam. O ang kainito naman, hindi pwedeng magbunga ng santol. My dear parents and children, today we are gathered here to celebrate the fruits of your labor. When you carefully prepared the soil that appeared barren some years ago, planted the seed, nurtured it, now that barren land become a field ready for harvest. In front of you are the cream of the crop. Okay? So let's clap our hands for them, parents. Ito po ang cream of the crop natin, ang mga batang ito. Mga batang hinubog sa tamang pagpapahalaga, may pagmamahal at malasakit sa kapwa at kalikasan. May paggalang sa magulang at mga guro at nakatatanda. At higit sa lahat, may pananampalataya at takot sa Diyos. Education is not all about solving mathematical equations and problems, but solving real life problems and facing challenges in life with determination, perseverance, hope, and above all, faith in God. It's not all about memorizing events and dates in the history of mankind, but learning to love liberty and freedom, performing one's duty as a productive member of a society. It's not even all about speaking with correct pronunciation, accentuation, and diction, and reading with correct phrasing and comprehension, but speaking words of encouragement